Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I have here this Infinix HOT 30i. We're going to have a quick look to see if there is any value to it. So let's make a start. Wrap it this way. So this one comes around at around 120 pounds, which is just over 130 euros. It does have NFC, no 5G. It has a 6.6 inch display, 128 gig storage, and 4 gig of RAM. Comes in a box with a gel case, an opening pin, Type C charger, 18 watt charger, Type C cable, which is good, and a wired 3.5 millimeter headphones, 8 megapixel selfie camera and 13 megapixel rear camera. It comes with Android 12 and 5000 milliamp battery. It doesn't support 5G, so it's another affordable phone, but it does have a gaming processor, so it will play certain games. Now I don't play games, I wouldn't know which ones, but I assume something better than just the basic. Decent design. And let's take quickly a photo. Yep, decent camera. So I would say the downside is there is no 5G, and that's all about it. For the price, I would say definitely is good as a, I don't know, as a spare phone, or for some teenagers. Yeah, decent phone. I would recommend it as decent display, decent cameras, nice design. It promises to be fast to play some games. I would say, yeah, go for it. For the price, there is value. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next one.